In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Clash Royale. So first step is open up Clash Royale and then log into your account. From there, we need to navigate to the settings icon. So this is on the top right hand corner of the page, you've got 3 horizontal bars and click into settings. Now this will open up the settings menu. Now inside the settings menu, look for a button or link that says redeem code. Note, sometimes this option is only visible when a valid promo code or event code is available from Supercell. So on my screen, there isn't any current promo codes or event codes running, but in the near future, there will be. So this is where to find it. Now from here, go ahead and click into it. So type in the code exactly as it appears. Codes are usually case sensitive, and also double check for numbers, special characters, and capital letters. From there, click confirm. So tap redeem or OK to submit the code. If the code is valid, you'll receive the reward instantly. If the code is expired or invalid, a message will let you know of that. Then from there, you want to go ahead and check your rewards. So go back to your chest or card collection to see your newly received rewards. Sometimes rewards appear as gems, gold, cards, or chests depending on the code. If you find this video useful, please consider to like the video and subscribe to my channel.